India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the third edition of Voice of Global South Summit on Saturday. Over 120 countries from developing world participated in the deliberations. The summit that took place virtually explored the convergences of these nations over issues of common interest such as food, health and energy security. PM Modi called for unity among the member nations and expanded India's development role in the region with the proposal for Global Development Compact. Here's more.
India hosted the third Voice of the Global South Summit on Saturday. The forum envisages bringing together countries of the Global South to share their perspectives and priorities on a common platform. The theme of the summit was An Empowered Global South for a Sustainable Future. Addressing the summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed concern about the current global atmosphere of uncertainty and challenges.
चारों ओर अनिश्चितता का माहौल है। हम क्लाइमेट चेंज की चुनौतियों का सामना तो कर ही रहे हैं और अब हेल्थ सिक्योरिटी, फूड सिक्योरिटी और एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी की चिंताएं भी है। आतंकवाद, अतिवाद और अलगाववाद हमारे समाजों के लिए गंभीर खतरा बने हुए हैं।
Talking about India's engagement with the Global South, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India has emerged as a first responder in situations of humanitarian crisis from Gaza to Papua New Guinea.
मानवीय संकट के समय भारत एक फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर की तरह अपने मित्र देशों की सहायता कर रहा है। चाहे पापुआ न्यू गिनी में ज्वालामुखी फटने की घटना हो या कीनिया में बाढ़ की घटना, हमने गाजा और यूक्रेन जैसे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्षेत्रों में भी मानवीय सहायता प्रदान की है।
In his closing remarks, Prime Minister Modi proposed a comprehensive global development compact that will assist partner countries in the Global South in achieving balanced and inclusive growth using India's experience in development journey.
भारत की ओर से एक व्यापक ग्लोबल डेवलपमेंट कॉम्पैक्ट का प्रस्ताव रखना चाहता हूं। इस कॉम्पैक्ट की नींव भारत की विकास यात्रा और विकास साझेदारी के अनुभवों पर आधारित होगी। यह कॉम्पैक्ट ग्लोबल साउथ के देशों द्वारा स्वयं निर्धारित की गई विकास प्राथमिकताओं से प्रेरित होगा।
PM Modi gave clarion call for unity among countries of the Global South. He called for closer cooperation in the domain of trade for development, capacity building for sustainable development, technology sharing, concessional finance among nations of the Global South. India has pledged $25 million for the Social Impact Fund. The Prime Minister said the upcoming Summit of the Future would be an important milestone to bridge the gap between Global North and South. With inputs from